Here is how to disassemble a classic Game Boy. All you should need is a screwdriver with a Phillips 0 bit. I find that a 00 or a 1 also works. First, remove the battery cover. Then we have 6 screws to remove. Now we can separate the top from the bottom, but there is a cable right here that we need to keep in mind. Once we kind of pull these apart, we can just wiggle this cable up and out of here. And there we have it. For the back side, we just have 4 more screws. Then we can just kind of slide this out of here. You can continue taking everything apart if you want to for cleaning. 4 more screws on this RF shield. There we go. Then we have 3 battery contacts. We can pop these out from behind by just pushing in with our screwdriver on the little clip, getting that started, and then guiding it out. You can do the same for both sides. For this board with the screen on it, we have 10 more screws to get. For putting this back together, it's nice and easy because they have a white circle around each spot where the screws go. All of this now just lifts out of here. There you have your screen board. These buttons can just lift out of here, or even easier, tip them out of there. If you're wanting to replace the screen protector, you can just heat it up with a hairdryer to loosen the adhesive and then push on the back of it. This one's already pretty old and ready to come off, so it came off pretty easy. And there we have everything. Happy fixing or happy cleaning.